Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Mazhar Hussain. I have worked with FUE hair transplantation since 2004. And during that time, I have learned that good outcomes start not with surgery, but with knowledge and education. That's why I've made this comprehensive guide. This will help you to understand the root causes of hair loss and help you ask the right questions so that you can avoid common costly mistakes. My team and I have been privileged to work with people from all over the world. And in many cases, I can speak your language. Jeg har boet mere end 31 år i Danmark, og jeg har jobbet i Norge siden 1996. मैं 2004 से FUE hair transplantation कर रहा हूँ और मनु पंजाबी भी आती है. Read this guide. If you have any questions, let us know. And if it's the right time for you to have an assessment, you can book a consultation with us. Thank you.